shall find that sword. It's been 10 years since I have been searching for it. A stream. Let's see. What's that? Ah! Where am I? The sword!
Halt!
Why should I?
You will never get the sword. I am the protector.
Oh yeah? What about this? See ya, bud, but I've got a job to do. Ha! The sword. Finally, it's mine. Stop it right there. Why should I? Water! Ah! You will never get away. Teleport me! Oh no, he escaped with the sword. Oh, this is bad.
Thanks for watching, everybody.